So you have installed ROS2 and then you have created a ROS2 workspace, and now you are using colcon build, and you know that there are different commands with colcon build, and you would want to use the autocompletion, but the autocompletion is not working. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. So first of all, if you have not installed colcon, you can do that with sudo apt install python 3 colcon common extensions. Okay, so make sure that you have colcon already ready for you. And now if you do colcon build, it works, but then the autocompletion doesn't work. And to fix that, it will be actually quite simple, but it's something that you really can't come up with by yourself. You will need to source a new bash script specific to colcon autocomplete functionality. And so you can do source and then slash, and this script is located at /user share colcon, so you can use the tab for autocompletion here, autocomplete, and then hook, and you have colcon autocomplete.bash. Okay, so really nothing to understand. This is just where the script will be located after you have installed colcon with that command here. So you press enter. Okay, and now you can do colcon build again, and let's add some parameter, and let's press tab twice, and you will see that you have all the options here, all parameters that you can use. For example, if we want packages select, we can just start the word and press tab, and we have the autocompletion, which is working. Great. So now if we want to be able to use the autocompletion every time, well, we will need to add this to our bashrc. So you can do gedit bashrc, and you should already have the source for the global ROS2 installation and also your workspace. And now you can paste also this line after the two lines here. You can paste the line source with the colcon autocomplete bash script. Save the file and then close it. And now every time you open a new terminal, let's go to our workspace again. You can use colcon build, and then this will work. Alright, if you liked this video, subscribe to get more tutorials like this in the future. Also check out my online courses to learn ROS2 step by step by practicing and directly going to the point. Links in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial or in one of my courses.